so hungover I'm gonna die. Good morning. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna die, but I'm pretty hungover. But I got myself up. We may have gone to bed at 3 in the morning, but I still woke up at 8 a.m. and I tried. I was like, I should sleep this off a little bit. I can't. My body said it's time to get up, so I got up. And I'm going to my first estate sale today. I was having coffee with a friend and she mentioned that she loves going to estate sales, and I told her that I've never been and it sounded intriguing, and so we are going today. Somewhere in South Miami. I don't know exactly what neighborhood it's in, but I saw photos of the house and it looks incredible. So I'm very excited. I got all dressed up even though I would love to just wear sweatpants all day. But as usual, I figured I would bring you guys along to my daily adventure. So let's go to an estate sale. See you guys there. Hello. We just got to the Everglades. It's our first time, and we realize now that we've come just slightly unprepared. It says that we should be aware of snakes and what else does it say? Alligators and all kinds of different creatures, and we have shorts on and we have bug spray. So.
And we drove past a sign that has panthers.
I don't know if it was was it a panther?
It was some sort of mammal.
It was definitely
we have no knives, we have no nothing.
It was a silhouette of what would look like a panther. And I'm not sure what kind of panther lives in the Everglades, but now we need to, this is crazy. Anyway, join us as we potentially die in the Florida Everglades. I'm coming to you with an update. We did not die. It was not, we didn't see any gators actually, or panthers, or any sort of life-threatening creature. We did see a lot of crickets that were horrifying. They're just the size of my hand, lots of noises. And for two city people, this is very terrifying. So I'm not saying we'll never come back. I want to come back when, one, it's cold, so like in the winter when it's like 50, 55 degrees, and I can wear, like, I felt very naked in a land full of bugs. So yeah, we were just sitting here talking about it, and it's not like a never coming to the Everglades again. There's so many trails. I mean, this park is like 1.5 million acres large, so I would definitely come back. I think I want to do an airboat tour, actually see some gators, and I don't know, maybe bring like some more people so we're a little bit less afraid. But overall, this was a terrifying, a terrifying experience, and we are now leaving after 1 hour in the park. Gonna go get some food, so we'll see you guys there. remember a few minutes ago when I showed you that we went to a place called the Gator Grill and Alex had some gator bites? Well, to be honest with you, they were disgusting. I mean, I didn't try them, but I could smell them and they were horrible and he didn't like them. And so Alex got a little bit hangry and he found a flyer for some barbecue. And so this is what is now happening as we sit in a parking lot.